Hi everyone, how you doing today? I am doing my final series or my final video in the series of different eye colors. So today I'm going over hazel eyes. I have not had a lot of experience with hazel eyes, so I was kind of dreading this, but it's actually quite easy. So I've gone over blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes, and today I'm just finishing up with the hazel eyes. My name is Sonia Frame. I'm an independent artist for mascara makeup. I'm a mama of 4 and homeschooling. I have a little one over here walking in front of me, and I am a grandma now of 2. Just had a baby girl, Parker Joe, and so we have had a busy fall. So I want to go over hazel eyes. Hazel eyes are a mixture of brown and green. They tend to have a lot of gold. I have also seen flecks of blue in there. So it's just kind of a simple eye. So whatever you can wear on green and brown, I feel like is what you can wear on a hazel eye. So the brown eyes, you guys are so lucky you can just wear anything. You are in like the mixture of all the colors. So whatever you put on your eyes works. And so hazel eyes have more of the green, or have some of the green and the gold. So a couple colors that, in my opinion, work well with that would be golds. So if you put a gold on there, you're gonna pull out the gold. And I have this really fun color that I just got not long ago. I'm gonna swatch some of these on here for you. I always put my watch on and forget. Okay, so this is Gold Digger, and I just love it. I can't really make I like to put like a hazel eye, or like if it was brown, I'd put a brown swatch there, but I can't really do that. So here is Gold Digger. I absolutely love it. I think Foxy is a little bit more orangey, bronzy, but I think that's another color that would bring out the golds in that hazel eye. And I think with green then would be purple. So any purples, and I have a lot of purples, so I'm not gonna swatch them all, but here's Kin. I think it's out of stock right now, but I've been playing around with this one and I love it. These have all been shimmer. These are all shimmer. So let me show you Lullaby, which is like a light purple. And this is a, bless you. This is a matte. So those two together would be super pretty too. But that gives you the matte option, and then this would be, get out of here, and this would be your shimmer, but it doesn't, that helps you to see. These are obviously more of a shimmer, or maybe you would call it foiled, where this one is not too bad. And again, this one's Kin, but I think it's out of stock. Now I'm going to show you a color that, in my opinion, is more of a purple. But I would say most people would consider it a brown. But to me, it has a purple hue to it, and it's cocoa. I guess on it doesn't, but it has a little bit of a purple too, and I just love it. Let me show you in the palette why I think that. So here was Lullaby that I just did, and that's cocoa. So I don't know, maybe not, maybe not. So I'll swatch those other purples there for you. One here, whoops. This one is London and the other one is Amethyst. So these are just colors. If you have more of a green hazel eye, here is London and here is Amethyst. Get out of here. What you need? Stop. Good night. And that one is Amethyst. So any of these shades would be beautiful on a hazel eye. So because this was so simple, I thought, I think I'm gonna go over how I choose my eyeshadows. People do their eyes all different, but just on the daily, I pick First of all, I always prime my eyes. Your eyeshadow is going to not crease if you use a primer, and it will make the color pop. So I one day was in a hurry. I forgot my eye primer. I just slapped on Cupcake, or I think it was Cupcake, which is a matte, just like a real neutral color, a matte over it, and I just really couldn't see it very well. So a primer is definitely gonna help from creasing, staying, and making it pop more, especially this one because it's white will make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. They have this in a flesh color too. And I just ordered a new eye primer to try, and I'm going to, there's a bug. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about that one. So when I do my eyes, I start out with a matte all over. So I've primed my eyes and I put a matte all over. Now I'm older. You can do a shimmer. Sometimes I do a shimmer, but I kind of set in my primer with Cupcake. That is my go-to. That's the one I just showed you. Sometimes I vary from it, but just on the daily, I almost use Cupcake almost every single day. This one is Sabrina. It is the shimmer of Cupcake in my opinion. Maybe a little bit, well, it's pretty close. So sometimes I will use that one, but I feel like it sets in my primer because I may go over it with other colors and you won't end up seeing it, but that's what I do. And then I put a matte. Generally, I put a matte in the crease. So I'll pick any of these neutrals. These are all mattes. Often I put like a brown underneath, and then I will go in with my pop of color, and even sometimes 2 pops of color. And sometimes I will put others over top. So today what I did, let me just show you. So when I started my eye, I primed it. I did Cupcake all over. These bangs are gonna be the death of me. I did Cupcake all over. Then I did Valencia, which is absolutely, no, I didn't do Valencia. I think I did Bubba. I did Bubba all over. I'm sorry, I forgot. This one is Bubba, and on Blue Eyes, it's such a pretty color. I did Bubba all over. Then I went in with, I keep wanting to say Gilded Zion. So that is like this and then this, okay? So then I've got 2 mattes, 3 mattes actually with the Cupcake. So I had Cupcake, then I did Bubba, which I'm in love with right now. Then I did Zion more right here. And then for a pop, I did this, which was Ginger. I could have left it, no big deal. That would have been your, like just a real basic eye, but then I put that pop of color. Then, I don't know if you can see, I'm like, you know what? I haven't played around with this very much. I did Bayou right here. This is a beautiful color on brown eyes too. Anyway, this is a beautiful color on brown eyes, but I thought I'm gonna just play with this. Can you see? I just put it above and almost on top of my eyeliner, and then I thought, I think I'm gonna go here, but then I put extra in that middle corner of my eye so you could see it because I have hooded eyes. So, I don't know. So, that's just your basics. The brush that I used on my eye, I did use a couple. If you want to get one, this is the Eyeshadow Everything brush. There's a finer, more dense end, and then there's a real fluffy end. I use this every single day. So if you're wanting the basics, this is the brush to get. I've added to my arsenal. So I use the Blend and Tap to put the Cupcake all over my eye, but you very easily can just use the fluffy end, dip it and put it over your eye. This is the Multitasker. These are not clean. I used them this morning. This is the Multitasker, and it has a flat end. I used this to line my lips today. You can use this to line your lips. You can use this for your eyebrows. You can use this for your eyeliner. This is, don't have to have this brush, but I really like this brush. And then I used this end, which is, it's pretty, they're all super soft, but it's pretty tough. So, because I use it for eyeliner, and then that's where I did that Bayou. So I just took it and spread it over there. Okay. And then there is one last one. It's called the Hotline. This is, you could use for eyeliner, or you can use it in your eyebrows. Okay. And then this is obviously a spoolie that you can use, you know, after you do your eyebrows, or on your eyelashes. So you don't have to make that noise. And I also tried today with this brush, which is the Detail Hack. It is flat. I use it for contour. I used this end and dipped it in my cupcake and tried using that on that. I liked it okay. So we have, our brushes are amazing. I have a friend that she has not ordered the makeup yet, but she just got the brushes and she's like, these are literally the best brushes I've ever had. So the brushes are amazing. They're super soft. We have a brush cleaner and it smells like, I think it's coconut. Our Stay Spray, I think, smells like cotton candy, and then the brush cleaner, but it's amazing. You spray it on a towel, swirl it around, and it just takes it right off. But the thing that is so good about this, because I had another brush cleaner, is it's dry. I mean, it comes out wet, but when you clean it and then I wipe it on the brush, I can use it right away. So if you have multiple things you're wanting to do with these brushes, maybe wanting to go from a cream to a powder or whatever, you can very easily just clean it, wipe it on the towel, and then just go and use it. I've had no problem doing that. So I am so thankful that you joined me today. And if you like what you see, or if you'd like to have a comment, if you'd like a free color match, and this is new for me, YouTube, can you like and subscribe? Is that what I'm supposed to say? I would really appreciate it. And if you need help with anything, or if you would like a free color match, there's a link that I will drop down below. You can click on it. You can just go and look around in the website, or I will color match you. So, all right, guys, have a great day.